These are the Soviet-styled suburbs of Lublin, Poland's 9th largest city, a 3-hour drive from the capital, Warsaw. Compared to the rest of the country, this eastern region's economy has struggled in the 20 years since the collapse of communism. But entrepreneurism often thrives in even the most difficult environments. Sol Kozak is a small engineering company run by a married couple who perhaps epitomise the region's new generation of young business owners. Mariusz Kozak began his business after he graduated from a local technical college. He's a keen mountain bike racer, and although he studied aeronautical engineering, he was determined he would find a way to make a living from his true passion. The company makes parts that weight-obsessed competitive cyclists buy to replace heavier stock components, such as wheel hubs, handlebar stems, and a variety of other accessories. To make Sol Kozak's many different parts, Mariusz invested in a Haas toolroom lathe and a Haas toolroom mill, which he bought from Applenalp, the local Haas factory outlet. The rear gear cassette is the most complex part that the company makes. It starts out on the Haas lathe, where it's cut to length and then face-turned, before it's transferred to the vertical machine. After each operation, a cassette is checked for dimensional accuracy, which partly explains why it takes 5 hours to make a single unit. The tolerances for this part are critical, says Mariusz. Any inaccuracies would show up immediately the component is mounted on the bike. The gear shift has to be smooth and fast, with no chance that the chain will slip or fall off the cogs. Izabela Kozak is responsible for marketing, which includes managing the company's website. Sol Kozak has distributors in various countries, but like many small companies, selling its products online is of key strategic importance. E-commerce is direct, low cost, and payment is banked when or even before product is shipped. The internet is vital for our business, says Izabela. We get most of our orders via the online shop, and we sell to customers in 20 countries, as far away as Australia. Since investing in the Haas machines, Sol Kozak is able to respond immediately to a request for an out-of-stock component. Mariusz can call up the program and begin machining a part in minutes. These are the only 2 metal cutting machines we own, says Mariusz, but we use them to make every component we currently offer. Mariusz says that when he was looking for suitable CNC machine tools, he prioritised reliability and precision. The Haas machines offered the best value and performance for the money, he says. There are plenty of machines out there that offer greater precision, but they're not affordable for a small business like ours. On an economically challenged continent, Poland is a good place to make things, with relatively low living and employment costs and access to well-educated, technically qualified workers. Much of Poland's impressive economic growth is due to small export-led and well-connected firms, just like Sol Kozak.